Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we have for sale a Sherco 125 trials bike. It's virtually absolutely brand new. It's only done 95 miles since new, 2016 model. And so we're just going to do a condition or a visual analysis of the bike. There won't be any driving in this bike because it's not officially road legal, although you could make it road legal if you wanted to. So front tyre, pretty much brand new. I think everything's going to be brand new on the bike. It's no damage at all, or marks. Front forks. I'm not going to really mention all too much. Protection for the front disc, spokes, and the alloy itself are very nice. Tank, plastic tank, all very good. I'll show you the 95 miles, though you've probably seen it in the pictures already. There you are, 95.2 kilometers even, which is about 50 miles. If even. Engine perfect, rear shock, everything really clean, chain, sprocket, has a rear disc as well. Rear tyre is brand new. There's that little tiny disc at the rear, nice little funky thing. Rear swing arm, kick start and electric start on her. Might get her up and smoking now. There we are. Straight away. Sounds pretty cool as well. Nice and torquey sounding. Don't want to ride her too much while she's cold. But that's the Sherco 125, brand new condition. If you're interested, do get in contact. If you have liked the video, please do leave a like. Also comment down below what you think of these little trials bikes, and finally subscribe if you haven't already.